This is the 2020 Ford Everest Sport, the latest variant that slots in between the entry-level Trend and the titanium 4x2. Everest Sport has a new intricate mesh grille design that replaces the 3-slot grille seen on the titanium and Trend models, and the word Everest is spelled out in front of the hood and is also painted black. Everest Sport is equipped with LED headlamps. It also comes with auto on-off daytime running lamps, front and rear fog lamps. The LED headlamps are designed to allow the driver to see more clearly and farther ahead. These features gives you safety and economy. The front windshield is equipped with rain-sensing wipers that automatically turn on in bad weather. It gives you convenience and safety. Under the hood, the Everest Sport is powered by a 2.0-liter TDCI single-turbo diesel engine. It puts out 180 horsepower at 3,500 RPM, along with 420 Nm of torque at 1,750 to 2,500 RPM. Power is then shifted to rear wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission with select shift. Also include electronic power assist steering with full drift compensation technology. Everest Sport hood is equipped with hydraulic hood lift strut. You can now open the hood faster and easier. It gives you more convenience. Everest Sport fuel tank capacity is 80 liters. On the side, the Everest Sport is equipped with attractive black 20-inch alloy wheels. Everest Sport comes with 225mm ground clearance and 800 water wading depth capacity, and because of that, you can cross the flood even the flood is 1 inch behind your wheel. This feature gives you safety and convenience. Everest Sport side mirror comes with power folding and power adjustable exterior with side turn indicators. In the rear side, the Everest Sport is still looks similar to the other Everest, except to the label Sport on the left side of the rear door. Everest Sport is equipped with front and rear splash guards, LED tail lamps, and hands-free liftgate. On the key fob of Ford Everest Sport, you can find your unlock, lock, and the button to open the liftgate. Everest Sport liftgate is a hands-free liftgate. To open the liftgate, simply have the key, press key fob 2 times to open the liftgate. To close, simply press the button in the liftgate. This feature gives you more convenience. Inside, the Everest Sport distinguishes itself from the rest of the Everest lineup with deep crystal blue accents on the dashboard, around the infotainment, the doors, and with the stitches to accentuate the leather seats. Providing in-car entertainment is an 8-inch color TFT touchscreen, SIM tray with voice-activated controls, DAB plus digital radio, multifunction steering wheel with audio and voice controls, premium 10-speaker system with subwoofer power amplifier, also 2 USB ports at the front, and most important features are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The Everest Sport interior include smart keyless entry with push-button start, leather steering wheel, dual-color 4.2-inch cluster screens, driver one touch up-down power window, electrochromic rear-view mirror, dual-zone electronic automatic temperature control, sun visors with passenger side vanity mirror, active noise cancellation, and 3 auxiliary 12-volt power outlets in cabin. When it comes to seating, leather seats with unique sport accent, first row seats, 8-way power adjust to driver, manual adjust to passenger. For second row seats, bench seat with 60:40 split folding. You also get 2 cup holders on the center of folding armrest. For third row seats, 50:50 split folding seat back. As far as safety features are concerned, the 2020 Everest Sport comes with 7 airbags, cruise control, electronic stability control with roll stability control, anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, hill launch assist, Ford Mikey, rear parking sensors, rear view camera, volumetric burglar alarm system, and child seat ISOFIX anchorage points. The Everest Sport is available in 4 colors: Absolute Black, Aluminum Metallic, Arctic White, and Deep Crystal Blue. The new Everest Sport supports the Everest position as one of the safest and most capable SUVs in the market today, with its design and technology that match various needs and lifestyles.